So during the process, if you guys meet this where the NDK is not configured, so you click here, okay? Hold on a sec. Actually, I'm downloading. Okay. Okay. Okay, after a few minutes, because the data is about 1 gig, so we'll be waiting for it, the installation to finish. So after you had installed, okay, press finish. Okay, we run again. So during the time, remember to add this at your Android Studio, which is at the Build Grader app. Okay, this code. I would be sharing this in the Dropbox or a folder. You are welcome to download it. So actually, I need to download another NDK. If you guys have any idea on like making the VR app through Android, you are welcome to share with me. So in the meantime, I just apply the older version of this app and upgrade into the new version.
Everything starts from small with passionate about sharing. I started making videos on YouTube to promote this wonderful digital knowledge within my community. Anyone who is interested to work together, welcome to email me. Let us bring a better digital community for Malaysia. Welcome to subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow our sharing group on Facebook, Android Developers and Flutter Malaysia community. Thank you.